So here is the second video about how can we calculate the basicity of an acid. So we use we do the self-test 19.8. First of all, how can we calculate the basicity? First of all, refer to the question. We need to highlight the information that provided for you. So we have 4.8 gram of acid. The molar mass is this one. And we made up to a 250 cm cube solution. And we withdraw 25 cm cube of the solution from the metric flask. And afterwards, we find out that we do the titration. We find out that we use up 0.375 m 20 cm cube of sodium hydroxide to react with the 25 cm cube. So how can we determine the basicity? So first of all, if we want to determine the basicity, we need to know the mole ratio between sodium hydroxide reacted and also the acid, the number of moles of acid inside the solution. So first of all, for the moles of sodium hydroxide reacted, it's very, very easy. We have the volume, we have the molarity. We do the mathematics. We times the 0.375 with the volume, and finally you will get, you do the calculation by yourself, and you will get 4.5 times 10 to the power of -3, mole. So it means that we use up 7.5 times 10 to the power of -3 moles of sodium hydroxide to react with the acid inside 25 cm cube. So, and afterwards, we calculate the number of mole of acid inside 25 cm cube. How can we calculate? First of all, we have 4.8 gram of acid. We dissolve it into volumetric flask and made up to 250 cm cube. So the moles of acid inside 250 cm cube, it will be 4.8 gram divided by 192. Mass divided by the molar mass, we will get the mole. So you do the calculation and you will get 0.025 mole. It means that inside the volumetric flask, we have 0.025 mole of acid. And also 4.8 gram of acid, we have also a 0.025 mole. It's very clear, right? So, and afterwards, we do the titration. So in the burette and also the conical flask burette, we put the sodium hydroxide, and here is the acid. So we withdraw 25 cm cube solution from the 250 cm cube. So the number of mole of acid inside 25 cm cube will be, since we have 0.025 mole of acid inside 250 cm cube. So inside 25 cm cube, we only have 0.025 divided by 10 moles of acid. So we will get 0.0025 mole of acid inside 25 cm cube. And now you need to find out the ratio between the sodium hydroxide used and also the acid mole, the mole of acid, the ratio between them. So the mole ratio, sodium hydroxide, and also the acid. We don't know the acid, the formula of acid, but what we can do is find the ratio between them. So sodium hydroxide, the mole will be 7.5 times 10 to the power of -3. The number of mole of acid will be 0.0025. And we do the division, and finally you will get 3. It means that, what does 3 means? It means that 3 sodium hydroxide will react with 1 acid. So finally, we will know that the acid is tribasic, because one acid can react with 3 sodium hydroxide. In this case, the acid should have 3 ionizable proton. So that is the case how we calculate the basicity.